Hello everybody, welcome back to the Biker Baker Show. And I hope you've been enjoying the recipes and things that I've been doing because we enjoy doing them. So today we're going to do a Butterfinger Pie, okay? So we've got 1 graham cracker crust. This is a bag of the Butterfingers that you can find in the baking aisle. It's just a whole bag, just all chopped up. I've got a tub of Cool Whip, or whatever kind you like, an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. Okay, that's all it is. Easy recipe. So we got the bowl here. We're gonna put, I got a teaspoon of vanilla. Almost forgot that. I got the cream cheese here. We're gonna put that in the bowl. It's softened. You gotta make sure it's softened, room temperature. Then you're going to put your powdered sugar in with the cream cheese. Then you're going to mix that all up, and then we'll put the Butterfinger chips in it, and the vanilla, and the whipped cream, and then we'll put it all in the pie crust. Right now, I got to go mix this up, okay? Hope it's not going to be too loud. Try to get it mixed up here for you. You can see. It's July 4th weekend. This is the Saturday before, July the 1st. We went to the store and, man, they were busy in there. Hope you can see what's going on here. Start to get together. It's making like a little paste right there. Okay. And we'll put in the whipped cream. Cool Whip. I know people say don't use the mixer on the whipped cream. I always do. I don't think it makes much of a difference. We like it like this. That way everything gets mixed up into it. Because you're still going to put it in the refrigerator and let it set. So it's still going to be okay. Okay, got all that mixed up. Now I'm going to put the vanilla in it. Teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to put most of the Butterfingers in there. And I'm going to save a little bit, reserve it for the topping so we can decorate the top of it. I'm just going to mix it all together. This is just a simple recipe. I've been doing some simple recipes to get you guys started here. I know when I was just starting out doing baking and everything, I wish that I would have had this kind of stuff to watch. I just kind of learned it on my own. Okay. Looks a little runny here, but it's going to stiffen up when it gets in the refrigerator, okay? And all those flavors get together, that Butterfinger gets mixed up in it. So we're going to put it into the pie crust here. Of course, I got to reserve a little for Mr. Smith because he will want that out of the crust or out of the bowl here. Okay. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of this on top. how long did that take? About 6 minutes maybe. We're doing pretty good. Looks really good. Let's put that in the refrigerator and let that sit up. Okay, if you liked what you saw, like, subscribe, and help us grow, please. And share it. And thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave them below. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker Show. Peace out.